Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to do the build on the GMC Jimmy, the AMT version. And this was kit number AMT 1219/12, 125 scale. This kit was released in December of 2020. So, as always, I'm going to get everything laid out on the table here and start making some decisions. I'll be right back. Alright, so right off the bat there seemed to be minimal of parts in this kit, but I'm going to try to build the stock version, which I just fell in love with when I seen that. This one here is okay, but I always like the stock look. This one, not so much my style. Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and see what's involved here. I may end up, oh no, there's two seats. I thought maybe there was only one seat in there. So I guess I'll have enough pieces to do a stock build. I was looking for the axles, and I found those there finally. Now it's just a matter of making some color decisions, getting all these parts cut off the tree, clean them up, look for any kind of areas that need attention, and get on with the build. So, as always, I thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll be right back. Well, guys, if you watched my unboxing video, you'll see that there was a couple of parts that I wasn't sure what they are, and they are right here, and I actually thought they were part of the frame to be like extenders on the frame where the bumper would go, but what I found out is they're actually the hinges for the back window. They go in there some way, and you wrap this through here, and then it sits up on the back of the roof there. So that one mystery solved, and that's it. We'll just keep on going. I'm just cleaning parts up and sanding down rough edges and that. The worst issue I had so far was the frame little thingy that went here to support the body while it was in the mold, and that big X that was here. Those were attached really well, and a lot of sanding. I see I still missed a little piece right there. I got to sand that down a little bit, file it, because this will all be seen once the kit is built. So that's that. There's your update for a minute, and I'll be back with more. So what I did, guys, is the back lift glass, lift gate, whatever you want to call it, the window, is two hinges here where I have my knife sitting, and then the other one right there on the lower part there. They were very finicky to get in, so what I did was I taped the back window piece to the actual roof section and lined it up as best as I could on the roof, taped it in there, and then put each hinge in individually. But I had to put the hinges on the window piece first and use little pieces of tape to hold them in place, because if it's in place you can't angle it in properly, and the this side doesn't fit through the hole that's there. It's too thick. So I taped those in on the back window, and then set the correct position in the roof section, and then glued them in individually, checking both times to make sure that it was lined up as best as possible. Now, the fitment isn't exactly the best, but that's a mold issue. That's not something I've done. So there's going to be little gaps there, and we'll just have to deal with it. So, alright, I just want to give you a heads up on that one. That's the only issue I've run into so far. It's not really an issue, it's just a matter of figuring out which way to do it that's going to work out best. Alrighty, guys, be right back. Alright, guys, so what I've tried to explain 3 times now, but my battery kept dying on the camera, The headlights are a clear plastic. Obviously, they go in the 4 spots for the grille. But the instructions listed as part 301, they are not 301. 301 on my kit, it were the large lenses that went into these, I'm trying to find it in the camera here, these lights right here. Those are where 301 go. The other ones are the smaller ones where you'll see it, there's 4 of those. Those are the ones for the headlights, not 301, because there's only 2, and those are for your fog lights or driving lights, whatever they call them. Just wanted to give you a heads up on that. Next section should be the completed kit. Again, thanks for stopping by, and I'll be right back. Well, there she is, guys. 1972 GMC Jimmy. Stock version, 4-wheel drive. Everything is still kind of drying right now, so I'm a little scared to touch it, and I just realized I forgot to put the gas cap on. Jeez, never fails. I get so excited. I have the back glass open a little bit and the tailgate open because I had just glued the sides together, so I don't want anything to stick. But I wanted to get this video out for you guys. I'll show you how it looks without the roof before it falls off. There's the interior. I went with a blue with gold accents all around. The gold laid out nice, but it's a little splotchy, if that's a word. The metal flake in there didn't lay down real well, but other than that, it looks nice. I'll put it up on the shelf, maybe 2 or 3 shelves up, and it'll look fine. The engine compartment, I don't even know if I've done anything all that special on there. I need another ham. Let me go ahead and take the hood right off. Or maybe not. Hold on a second, guys, sorry. Apparently once it's in there, it's in there. There you go, pretty basic. Nothing fancy going on in there. I'll go ahead and put that back on. The colors are pretty sharp. I like the way they contrast with each other. This kit was a lot of fun to build. Not a whole lot of issues other than, like I said, trying to keep the sides together, because there's really not a whole lot of support there once you cut out that X that was originally, once it was molded and shipped. So I'll have to put this up and support it a little bit to get it to glue together. The tailgate is just a little bit too wide. I may have to take it apart and file it down a little bit to get it to fit in there so that these pieces connect to the inner body piece. But I like the way it turned out. Just a quick build. Not a whole lot of detail going on. But I do like it. First time for me building this particular kit. I got all kinds of dust on the glass now. Well, we'll take care of that later. Alrighty, folks. As always, I thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this one. Model Car Guy Rich out. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.